What do you do when you get lost? I mean, you know exactly where you want to go, but you don't know which path to take to get to your destination. For the last month, I've been traveling with my wife and my family in beautiful Colombia. And the other day we decided to go on a little hike, and within 10 minutes we found this little forest area with little ants. We even saw some monkeys in the wild. It was a pretty hot day. It was, I think, over 30 degrees, and after about 2 hours of hiking, we almost ran out of water and our path ended in a riverbed. It would have been another 2 hours if we turned around and went back the same way, or we could go down the river, but we didn't really know how long it will take, or if the river is even crossable. If we get stuck somewhere, we might have to return 3 hours back. And the vultures were already circling above us. And in life, I think every once in a while we come across a very similar situation where we have to make a decision. It's a fork in the road, and you have to decide, are you going to go the easy route, the well-known route, the trusted route, and you turn back? Or do you choose adventure? Do you choose the unknown with only that destination in your mind, but you don't know how to get there exactly? In our case, we chose adventure and just started walking, one step at a time.
Life isn't always a straight line. You'll encounter twists and turns and ups and downs, valleys and mountains. We needed to face every challenge, every obstacle head on, and trust that if we follow the flow, the river will bring us home.
We did another turn and we saw a little bit further of where we had to go. And we never saw the full path, but with every meter we gained a new perspective, and we finally saw the golf course that was next to the place that we were living. Just one more river crossing, a small climb, and hiking through the golf course, and we were home, and it has brought us a lot closer together. Now it's your turn. Which path are you going to take? Are you going to go the easy route, or are you going to choose the road less traveled? Let me know in the comments.